Cityscape is an app to find secret spots, but that can come in many forms. Some secret spots are hidden venues, others are places of sceneries, others still, like this building behind me, are places of historical significance. In the 1960s, a plane crash happened in this building right behind me. Let me give you a look. If you look, you will see that there's older buildings and another older building, and in between it is where this new building is located. This new building is where the plane crash happened in Park Slope. On December 16, 1960, two planes collided in midair. Although the collision happened in Staten Island, the two planes crashed at different places. One crashed in Park Slope, where I'm at today, the other in Staten Island. Everyone on board died except a 10-year-old boy who was traveling to come see his relatives in New York. Although the boy initially survived, he was burned really badly and had inhaled a lot of jet fuel. He died at the hospital the next day by pneumonia. All of New York was mourning. For those of you who are really street smart, I dare you to find where this plane crash memorial is. Small clue, it's not too far from the accident site. Since the crash happened at two different places, it can be found under two different names. The plane that crashed in Brooklyn is known as a Park Slope plane crash. The one in Staten Island is known as a Millerfield crash. If you want to find out where these events took place, use Cityscape to discover your city. Explore your city, learn your history. I'll see you next time.